Hello friends, welcome to DevRoute. I am Myra and you are watching our CSS series. Today we are going to design our button. We are going to apply simple and beautiful CSS to our button using the properties we are discussed up till now. So firstly, I am going to create simple HTML file by pressing exclamatory mark and enter. I'm going to change the title. I'm setting it as button. Then I am going to apply element which is called write an element called main. Inside main element I am going to write element called form. Inside form I am going to use element called button and giving it some id called class called btn1. Okay, so if I preview my page, this is my simple button with no text. So I am writing some text over here. Click me. Now you can see this is a simple button, HTML button. Now we are going to apply simple styling to this button using whatever the properties we have learned up till now. For that I am going to use a CSS file which is button.css. So I am writing in the header link, then CSS, then in href I have to give path of my file which is \css folder, then button.css. So now this CSS file is linked to my HTML page. Now I am going to apply styling. For styling I am going to use class selector which is button1. Here I am going to just give a background color. Okay, I am going to give some background color, for example this one, blue one. Okay, now I need to change my font color. I'm going to set it simple white. Okay, now I need to apply some padding, which is the space inside your element. Padding, I am giving padding for example 0.5 rem, which will be 16 divided by 2, which is 8 pixels. Okay, now I am going to increase font size for more readability. For example, I am going to give font size 32 pixels. Now if I am using font size inside my element, so instead of rem I am going to use em because I want to change my padding relative to the font size of my element. Okay, this is simple styling I applied to my button.